Alright, guys, so I need you guys to promise me that you will eventually buy some Bitcoin. If you're watching this video right now, okay, and maybe you're a skeptic of Bitcoin, you don't believe in Bitcoin, you think Bitcoin is a Ponzi scheme or a scam, whatnot, right? You just generally don't believe in Bitcoin. I really want you guys to study what Bitcoin actually is because I feel like a lot of people out there don't actually know why Bitcoin was created at the first place. Study Bitcoin, read books about Bitcoin, just search up what Bitcoin is on the internet, right? Just do your own research, maybe read, you know, the white paper for Bitcoin, right? Study what Bitcoin truly is, guys. Because how can you not be bullish on what Bitcoin is? Bitcoin fixes everything, right? We know the economy right now is not looking too good. We know fiat currency, you know, um, money in general, the US dollar is losing its value, okay? And Bitcoin fixes all of this, right? We know Bitcoin has store of value, it builds generational wealth, okay? It really, really does. And it's against you know, hedge against inflation, right? It really, really is because Bitcoin is always going to new highs. It's always reaching new highs every single time we enter a new bull cycle. It always reaches new highs. And speaking about the bull cycle, we know, guys, very, very soon, next month, October, I really do believe next month, October, to throughout next year in 2025. So October next month, and of course throughout next year in 2025 will be some amazing times for Bitcoin and altcoins. So October will be amazing, November, December, and of course throughout next year in 2025 will be some amazing times for Bitcoin and crypto. So if you simply want to make money, okay, you want to build wealth, you want to, become a millionaire in the future, okay, you want to create generational wealth, buy Bitcoin. It's simple as that. Now, of course, guys, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research, right? But I really want you guys to promise me to buy Bitcoin, okay? And maybe you're watching this and you don't believe in Bitcoin, and you may call me crazy, okay? I want you guys to buy Bitcoin for your future self and, of course, for your family. I told you guys, okay, I always talk about this topic. If you simply own one full Bitcoin, just one single Bitcoin, you will become very, very wealthy in the future. Of course, I am talking long term. So if you own one full Bitcoin, you will have a lot of wealth to your name. Okay, you will obviously become a millionaire. You will create, generational wealth. Okay, not just wealth for yourself, but also for your family and your future family. Okay, buy Bitcoin. Promise me, guys, that you guys will buy Bitcoin because a bull is coming. Bitcoin right now. Okay, let me just show you guys. Bitcoin right now is trading at 56,400. Okay, you guys can clearly see that. That is the price of Bitcoin right now. And today is September 2024. Okay, 6th of September 2024. And this is the price of Bitcoin right now, $56,000. And I am here to tell you guys right now, if you go to the all-time chart, you guys can clearly see Bitcoin has already reached new highs and it's about to be reaching new highs as well, okay, very, very soon. And I'm here to tell you guys right now, okay, that 100k is coming. Okay, 100k per Bitcoin is coming. Okay, Bitcoin will easily reach in the six figures. And I'm telling you this right now, okay, once Bitcoin reaches $100,000 and beyond, we will probably never see Bitcoin in Bitcoin history ever again back down below 100k. That's just my personal opinion. I mean, it could, but I highly doubt it. Because understand, guys, in the next upcoming bull cycle, I see Bitcoin going as high as like $200,000 to even $250,000 to even 300k and beyond. I really do believe these price targets are very, very possible for Bitcoin to reach in the next upcoming bull cycle, right? Next year in 2025. So understand, when we see Bitcoin reaching 100k to 150 to 200k to 300k and beyond, right? We will probably never see Bitcoin ever again at this price, $56,000 or even below 100k. So understand, guys, while Bitcoin is still cheap, while it's still below $100,000, this is literally a once in a lifetime opportunity to buy as much Bitcoin as you possibly can, because soon enough, Bitcoin will reach $100,000 and it's not too far off from reaching it, right? We know Bitcoin's previous new all-time high that it reached a couple months back was about $73,000, over above $73,000. Okay, and ever since then, yes, it's gone back down, having a slight correction, holding in between, this level where it's at right now and like 60K and whatnot. But understand, soon enough, okay, it's gonna have a breakout. I'm gonna see a parabolic movement coming, because understand, guys, yes, it's September right now. It's a month of September, and historically, yes, the month of September is a bad month for Bitcoin, and not just for Bitcoin, but also crypto, right? The crypto market and even the stock market. Usually, historically, September is a very, very bearish time for the markets. Okay, and that's why we aren't fixing Bitcoin down 4% so far. And I think it's going to get worse, right? I do see more corrections coming for Bitcoin in the next upcoming few days, and of course, a few weeks, right? Throughout this month in September. But understand, once October rolls around, that's when things will change, because October is one of the most bullish months for Bitcoin. Even November is pretty decent, and December. So understand, guys, you realistically, if you just really think about it, you realistically have 1 month, just this month left in September, where we are right now, to buy Bitcoin at this low price, $56,000. Time is ticking, guys. We are in fact about to enter the next bull run. So if you're not, taking action right now with Bitcoin, accumulating into Bitcoin, simply DCAing to Bitcoin, then you will regret it later. And sadly, you will FOMO. And I know there's going to be a lot of FOMO, especially retail investors. They will FOMO into Bitcoin. When we see Bitcoin in a bull run reaching new highs, there will be FOMO. This always happens, guys, in a bull run, right? I have seen this many, many times, okay? So understand, right? There will be a lot of FOMO eventually. So take action now, guys. I don't want you guys to have that regret, okay, of not buying Bitcoin at this price. Trust me, when we see Bitcoin at 100K and beyond, you're going to be begging for a dip. You're going to be begging for Bitcoin to go back down at $56,000. Trust me, okay? So understand, guys, you really just have this month left to buy as much Bitcoin as you possibly can. You literally have 1 month. Just 1 month, just this month in September, to really buy as much Bitcoins as you possibly can before October arrives. And once October arrives, that's when things will change. Bitcoin's going to pump, it's going to skyrocket. Same with altcoins, right? The entire cryptocurrency market will skyrocket. So if you really think about it, you have 1 month left. Time is ticking. Okay, it really, really is. And this is why I've been telling guys many, many times that this is literally a once in a lifetime opportunity, okay, to buy as much Bitcoin as you possibly can, because time is truly ticking. We don't have a lot of time left, right? Before we see a bull run occur. A parabolic rally is coming, a parabolic movement is coming for Bitcoin and crypto. And I really want you guys to simply be prepared for it. How do you prepare for it? Okay, you want to buy in, you want to simply DCA and hold. Okay, and if you guys are watching this video right now and maybe you hold a bag of Bitcoin, right? I highly suggest you guys, and it's really up to you guys, but I highly suggest you guys to hold your Bitcoins, right? Don't sell all of them. Like, you can take profits, but when in a bull cycle, yes, obviously you want to take profits, right? This is how you actually make money. I know that. But with Bitcoin, don't sell all your Bitcoins. Okay, my plan is to sell maybe like just 20% of my Bitcoins, not all of it, right? Because I know where Bitcoin is heading long term, especially long term. Okay, now with altcoins, I am selling, majority of my altcoins, of course, but something like Bitcoin, okay, even Ethereum, right? Let's not forget about Ethereum, but Bitcoin, I'm holding long term. I am not planning on selling all of it, right? I'm going to sell like a small percentage of my Bitcoins, because I want to hold majority of them long term, because I know where Bitcoin is heading in the future. Okay, so promise me, guys, promise me that you will buy some Bitcoin. I don't care if it's $20, $50, $100, just buy as much as you possibly can. Time is ticking. Okay, we only have a couple weeks left, simply this month, September, and then October's going to come around, and then that's when we're going to see everything just pump, right? October's going to run, and yeah, we're going to see a lot of altcoins, including Bitcoin, skyrocketing. Okay, so we don't have a lot of time left. Even if, let's just say, the market's pumping, okay, Bitcoin's at 100K and whatnot, I'm simply not gonna stop DCA into Bitcoin. I will always DCA into Bitcoin, guys, because I am here for long term, right? I am not a trader. I am simply a investor. Okay, so that's that. So it's never too late to really buy Bitcoin, but I'm just letting you guys know that this is our last chance to really buy Bitcoin at these low prices at $56,000, even just below 100K, because soon enough Bitcoin's going to be reaching 100K and beyond, right? So that's that. So promise me, guys, that you will buy some Bitcoin, okay? Because you will regret it later in the future if you're not buying right now. Okay, so that's that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. Give thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. I will, obviously keep you guys updated on Bitcoin, so stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys have a good one. And I'll catch you guys in my next video.